The Lagun Table Mount is one of the most talked about mounts in the industry for campervan conversions. This is the main way where I am able to get work done. It's a real simple setup, and I went with the Haus bamboo tabletop along with the Lagun table mount. You can get that at Panther RV Products. There are some knockoffs that are available on Amazon for cheaper, but typically you get what you pay for in that regard. They are not interchangeable. These mounts right here are not interchangeable with the knockoff brands. So be aware of that when you're purchasing. With the Lagun table mount, you can purchase multiple brackets here, and you can put them on different locations in your van. Thank you for watching the video. If you have another product that you think is great for a campervan and will help out the community, let me know in the comments. It will help out others who are watching the video. I know finding parts for your campervan is extremely difficult. When we were putting this van together, it was very hard to decide what we wanted in the van. If you're building your van, I know where you're at, and I'm trying to make some videos to help you make decisions to get the job done, and that way you can just get on the road and have some fun. Thank you again. See you in the next video.